Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Real Racing 3 on your device. No jailbreak or computer needed, which gives you unlimited money. So as you can see, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's go into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. This actually works. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto my device. Super cool. Okay, so as you can see in the Real Racing 3, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this Zoo Mods, which has tons of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, go to the search bar and type in Real Racing 3. So as you can see, it says up Real Racing 3 mod. So download it and you're good. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys. It actually works. I mean, this is super insane. So yeah, it's so crazy, guys. Look at this. Real Racing 3 modded version, bro. I mean, so be sure to try this out. It's updated, bro. It actually works. So yeah, guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. Super insane, guys. Real Racing 3 modded APK, guys. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super cool. It actually works pretty well. And I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome and it fully works. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys. Actually working Real Racing 3 modded version. So yeah, try it out today and get the word out right now. It actually works pretty well. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome. Fully works. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video and peace out.